Dongxian Port Joint Stock Company specializes in providing port services, warehousing services, logistics, and auxiliary services. We always put safety and service quality first every activity. Dongxian Port was granted the Certificate of Occupational Health and Safety Assessment OHSAS 18001 and Quality Management System ISO 9001 by Det Norske Veritas Vietnam. Dongxian Port is equipped with all sufficient equipment and facilities to ensure safety of all activities at the port, such as fire protection system, integrated safety and security monitoring system. All staff are trained in occupational safety and handling emergency situations. The regulations when dealing and working in Dongxian Port. For work-related guests, dress politely and please make an appointment in advance. Carry out the necessary procedures at the security control gate, and present identification documents such as ID card or driver's license and be provided with a visitor card. Visitors at Dongxian Port, warehouse and dockyard shall be equipped with personal protective equipment such as shoes, hats, jacket, etc. and guided by the staff of the port. For workers at Dongxian Port, must be equipped with full personal protective equipment depending on the nature of work. Must be trained on the safety training course of Dongxian Port. Must have access cards issued by Dongxian Port. Visitors to foreign ships anchored at Dongxian Port must have valid boarding pass issued by the border guard. Workers on the port on floating means. In addition to the necessary personal protective equipment, life jackets and watchmen are required. For means of transportation, lifting in Dongxian Port, must have full certificates as regulated. For ships entering or exiting and anchored in the port, must have command of the port operator, fasten the cord properly, and have a duty crew on deck. In case of any emergency, one should immediately report to the supervisor and call the following emergency numbers: 113 Police, 114 Firefighting, 115 Ambulance and First Aid, 0915-660-731 Mr. Luan, Security Captain, 0966-840-088 Mr. Min, Operator of Dongxian Port, 093-852-2268 Mr. Nagai, Department of Heavy Safety Environment, Dongxian Port, 0903-727-233 Mr. Van, Director of Dongxian Port. When the alarm goes off, stop the work, turn off all the machine and equipment, move to the assembly point and stay until safety notice is announced. Remember, for Dongxian Port, safety is the first element to guarantee sustainable development and prosperity.
Allah! Allah! Allah!